For lesson 74, we're going to be writing fractions and ratios as decimal numbers. So we learned earlier that a fraction bar indicates division. So a fraction 1/2 also means 1 divided by 2, which we can write as 1 divided by 2 with the division bar. By attaching a decimal point and a 0, we can perform the division and write the quotient as a decimal number. So I did the division there. We find that 1/2 equals the decimal number 5/10, 0.5. To convert a fraction to a decimal number, all we're going to do is divide the numerator by the denominator. So top divided by the bottom. Okay. Now, just a little FYI for you. A special symbol is sometimes needed to write the decimal equivalents for some fractions. For example, the quotient when you divide 1/3 is written as a decimal 0.333333 with 3 dots indicating that the digit 3 continues to repeat without end. The 3 is just going to go on forever. To represent this repeating pattern, a bar is written over the digit or digits that repeat. So this right here is used to represent the decimal equivalent for 1/3. It's 3/10 repeating. Another example of a repeating decimal would occur when you divide 2 divided by 11, 2 11ths, which is 0.18 repeating. What does this decimal mean? Well, it means that 1 and that 8 are going to repeat, so it's going to be 0.18181818. It's going to keep going on like that. Now, we're going to convert 1/4 to a decimal number. I know a lot of us know what this is. We need to show our work. So we're going to do top divided by the bottom. Remember, I can add a decimal point and as many zeros as I need over here. So first thing I'm going to do is bring up my decimal point. Okay. 4 goes into 1 0 times, 4 goes into 10 2 times. Add another 0, drop it down, goes in there 5 times. Okay. So 1/4 is going to be equal to 0.25 or 25 hundredths. Now it says use a calculator to convert 15/16 to a decimal number. So let's find my tools here. Calculator. 15 divided by 16 equals. Okay, so 0.9375. Okay. If we did that division, we'd obviously have to add quite a few zeros to get to this number. Okay. So right, 7 2/5 is a decimal number. Now when we have a mixed number, the great thing about mixed numbers when you're decimal numbers is the whole number is going to be the whole number whether it's in the fraction or it's in our decimal. So it's going to be 7 point something. So all I need to look at is my fraction. So I just do my 2 divided by 5. I just leave the 7. I'm going to write that with my decimal number. Okay, so 5 is going to 2 0 times. Add my decimal and zeros. I get 4/10. Okay. Now this is not my answer. Remember, I have 7 2/5, so I have to have 7 and add this 4th to it, or 4/10. So you get 7 4/10. So there I can just use my fraction, do that division, get my decimal, and then just add that to the whole number. Now, a number cube is rolled once. Express the probability of rolling an even number as a decimal number. Well, if we roll it, remember there's 6 options. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the probability of rolling an even number is going to be 3/6, because 3 out of the 6 numbers are even. If we reduce that, that's 1/2. And now, no matter what division I did, whether it's 3 divided by 6 or 1 divided by 2, I'm going to get the same. And to prove it, I'm going to do it quick. Okay? So there I got 5/10. And here I got 5/10. No matter which way you did it, whether your fraction is reduced or not, we're going to get the same answer. So the probability of rolling an even number as a decimal number is 5/10. Go ahead, do a practice set. Make sure you bring any questions you may have to class.